Best PC cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at 5 of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Fractal Design North XL. The Fractal Design North XL Charcoal Black TG Dark is a premium mid to full tower PC case that blends modern airflow-focused design with classic aesthetics. Crafted with a distinctive Scandinavian-inspired style, the North XL features real walnut wood front panel slats that complement its charcoal black steel chassis for a warm, elegant look that stands out from traditional gaming cases. Built for high-performance builds, the North XL offers expanded interior space to support eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards. It provides excellent airflow, with a fully ventilated front panel and 3 pre-installed 140mm aspect PWM fans, ensuring efficient cooling for demanding components. There's also generous support for custom liquid cooling setups, including room for radiators up to 420mm on top and 360mm in front. The tempered glass side panel allows for clean visibility into your build, ideal for showcasing premium GPUs, RGB components, and cable management. Storage options are flexible with support for up to 6 2.5-inch SSDs or 3 3.5 HDDs. GPU clearance goes up to 413mm without front fans, and CPU coolers up to 185mm tall can be accommodated. Other highlights include USB-C front I/O, magnetic dust filters, and a clean internal layout designed for both aesthetics and functionality. The North XL is perfect for users seeking a balance between visual sophistication and high-end performance potential, making it a standout choice for both gaming and workstation builds. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. The Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is a highly modular and space-efficient mid-tower ATX PC case designed for DIY enthusiasts and gamers seeking flexibility, airflow, and aesthetic customization. What sets it apart is its flat pack design, allowing for reduced packaging waste and easy self-assembly, ideal for eco-conscious builders. It supports eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, offering wide compatibility for various build sizes. The case comes with a pre-installed 120mm SF black rear fan, ensuring out-of-the-box cooling, while also supporting up to dual 280mm radiators, one at the top and one at the bottom, for advanced liquid cooling configurations. Its fully modular structure allows panels, brackets, and components to be reconfigured or removed, making building and upgrading simple and clean. A standout feature is the vertical GPU mount capability, which gives users the option to showcase their graphics card. It also includes toolless panels, a rotatable PCI bracket for custom layouts, and mesh panels for optimized airflow. The internal layout is spacious, supporting large GPUs, up to 365mm, and CPU coolers up to 162mm tall. Finished in black, the Qube 500 emphasizes both function and style, with a sleek cube-like profile that fits modern desk setups. Its thoughtful engineering, including cable management channels, removable dust filters, and ample I/O ports, makes it a strong choice for users who prioritize modularity, thermal performance, and user-friendly assembly. Number 3. InWin A3. The InWin A3 Micro ATX IWCSA3 BLK1AM120S is a compact, high-performance Micro ATX gaming chassis designed to deliver exceptional airflow, modern aesthetics, and flexible hardware compatibility in a space-efficient form. With its clean, minimal black exterior and tempered glass side panel, the A3 blends style and function, offering a sleek look that showcases internal components. It comes pre-installed with a high-performance ARGB fan, 1X Luna AL120, delivering both cooling and customizable lighting effects. Despite its small footprint, the A3 provides impressive hardware support, including compatibility with Micro ATX and Mini ATX motherboards, high-end GPUs up to 340mm, and CPU coolers up to 162mm in height. The chassis supports up to 3 fans in total, 1 front, 1 top, and 1 rear, or a 240mm radiator on the top for liquid cooling solutions. The ventilated front panel and mesh top cover enhance airflow, ensuring optimal cooling for gaming and productivity systems. In terms of storage, the A3 includes mounting points for two 2.5-inch SSDs and one 3.5-inch HDD, balancing capacity and speed. The front I/O panel offers USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, USB 3.0 Type-A, and HD audio, supporting modern connectivity needs. Ideal for gamers, creators, and enthusiasts looking for a space-saving yet powerful build, the InWin A3 delivers premium design and cooling in a small form factor. Its robust construction, thoughtful layout, and pre-installed ARGB fan make it a top-tier choice for compact PC builds. Number 4. NZXT H7 Flow. The NZXT H7 Flow, 2024, is a modern mid-tower ATX case engineered for high-performance airflow and clean aesthetics. Designed with both enthusiasts and first-time builders in mind, it features a white steel chassis with a perforated front and top panel for maximized ventilation. It comes pre-installed with 3 120mm fans, 2 in the front and 1 at the rear, ensuring efficient out-of-box airflow to cool internal components. One of the standout features of this 2024 revision is support for bottom-mounted fans, which can be used to provide dedicated GPU cooling, making it ideal for high-end graphics cards that generate significant heat. This addition enhances thermal performance and helps maintain lower GPU temperatures during intensive tasks like gaming or rendering. The H7 Flow also emphasizes cable management with built-in channels, Velcro straps, and ample space behind the motherboard tray to route and hide cables neatly. This not only improves aesthetics but also promotes better airflow. Internally, it supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards, as well as large GPUs and multiple storage options. There's room for up to a 360mm radiator on the top or front, making it suitable for water-cooled setups as well. Overall, the NZXT H7 Flow, 2024, offers a minimalist look, superior cooling capability, and builder-friendly features, making it a strong choice for anyone prioritizing thermal performance without compromising on style or expandability. Number 5. Thermaltake View 270 TG ARGB Matcha Green. The Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow is a stylish and functional mid-tower ATX case designed for PC builders who want aesthetics, cooling, and component visibility. Its standout feature is the dual-tempered glass panels on the front and left side, offering a clear view of internal components, ideal for showcasing RGB hardware and clean cable management. This case includes 3 120mm ARGB fans pre-installed, providing vibrant customizable lighting and efficient airflow right out of the box. The fans are compatible with popular motherboard RGB sync technologies like Asus Aura Sync, MSI Mystic Light Sync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, and Ashrock Polychrome. In terms of cooling support, the View 270 plus TG ARGB accommodates up to a 360mm radiator at the front, making it suitable for high-performance liquid cooling setups. It also supports various fan and radiator configurations throughout the chassis for optimal thermal performance. The case is compatible with ATX, ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards, and provides ample space for high-end GPUs, power supplies, and storage devices. It features a modern layout with a PSU shroud to separate the power supply and drive bays from the main components, aiding both aesthetics and airflow. Finished in a sleek white snow color, the View 270 Plus offers clean, elegant styling. Thermaltake backs this case with a 3-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind. With its blend of design, airflow, and build flexibility, it's a strong option for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike.